If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making CHUDA PUA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 1 cup of rice flakes or chuda. Then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, half a cup of jaggery or gur, a quarter cup of coconut chunks and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now take a pan and place it over medium flame. Into that, first add all the ghee, followed by all the rice flakes or chuda. Now we need to roast this until it got golden color. Then switch off the flame and transfer them into a blender and blend to a coarse powder, and it should not be a fine powder. Then in the same pan or in another pan, add about 1/3 cup of water, followed by all the gur powder, coconut chunks and the salt. Now mix it up really well and wait till all the gur is dissolved. Then boil the syrup for roughly about a couple of minutes. Then to that, add all the coarsely blended chuda powder and again mix it up really well. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down just for 3-4 minutes. So while it's still hot, apply some ghee on your palm. Then take a small portion just like this and shape it like a ball, and it's done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad CHUDA PUA. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.